Hi there, it's Lana and Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and today we're looking at the kitchen and alfresco design in our latest project.
Ideally, when you're designing a space, you want your kitchen to go outside to your alfresco area.
The alfresco, yeah. And we're going to go through our favourite French doors that we love.
But instead of painting them white, which we have always done, we're painting these ones black.
Oh, gorgeous. Like black, that's the colour, so Dulux Black. We've got an L-shaped kitchen, an island. Love a two-tone kitchen.
Two-tone, yeah.
But what colour?
So we just want to see a tiny little glimpse.
Yeah.
Green.
Oh, more green. Love it. But not the whole kitchen in this colour, just the island.
No, just the island.
So here I am in our finished kitchen, and it's come up so beautifully. The key to this kitchen is really the island bench. With its design, it's got these curved edges, which is so nice, different, but smooth and sleek and sophisticated. And then the cabinetry and the colour of it, you know. It's not an all white kitchen. We wanted to bring some colour into it. So we've got this gorgeous green that's called Lorna by Dulux. We looked at a few greens, but we felt this one was just the perfect balance. It's not too out there, but it's still a bold statement. And it works really well with the heavily veined Caesarstone that's called White Attica. So for the walls in the kitchen, we went with Dulux Wash and Wear in white on white. The wash and wear paint is so durable, you can just wipe it down, and white on white is our favourite white at the moment. And for the rest of the cabinetry in the kitchen, we matched it to Dulux White on White, except for this black feature box in the middle, which provides such a great contrast to the rest of the kitchen. And to create a connection with the outside, which you always want, we've used these really affordable French doors. We've used them as two fixed panes at the end and then doubled them up here, and we've painted them in Dulux Aqua Enamel in black. Then to create the feeling of an outdoor room, we've added this open pergola and extended the wall with some built-in seating. We painted this wall the same colour as the house, which is Dulux Domino, which creates continuity in the space. Then to style it, we created zones for people to chill out in, and we used texture with the rattan, the concrete and the linen. For more design inspiration, head to the Dulux website.